Welcome to Nicole's Organic Thumb, fellow nature enthusiasts. From the lush Amazon rainforest to your backyard, nature offers a spectacle of wonder. Today we focus on the shimmering jewels of the avian world, hummingbirds. In this video, we'll share tips and tricks for preparing a winter haven for hummingbirds. Let's get started with practical advice to make your garden a paradise for these feathered dynamos. Discover the best native plants to attract hummingbirds. These marvels evolved with native plants, forming a unique bond. Trumpet honeysuckle's fiery blossoms and the vibrant cardinal flower are prime examples of nectar-rich native plants. Seek out plants indigenous to your region. Incorporate diverse native plants for continuous blooms. This ensures a banquet for hummingbirds. Native plants form the cornerstone of a hummingbird-friendly garden, so start by planting a variety of these to ensure a steady food supply. Supplemental feeders serve as essential refueling stations, especially during the colder winter months. Set them up early to attract hummingbirds to your yard. Imagine their miniature hearts beating up to 1,260 times per minute, requiring a constant energy source. Choose a feeder with vibrant red accents, a color that irresistibly draws the hummingbird's eye. A simple solution of sugar water, 4 parts water to 1 part refined white sugar, mimics their natural nectar source. Remember, cleanliness is paramount. Change the nectar every few days, especially in colder weather, and meticulously clean the feeder to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Additionally, provide a water source like a bird bath to keep your hummingbirds hydrated and happy. Chapter 3. Beyond Sustenance. Water for life. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is crucial for the smallest hummingbird as it is for the largest elephant. Hummingbirds need water for drinking and bathing. A bubbling fountain or mister can attract them. The sight and sound of moving water are irresistible, helping them cleanse their iridescent plumage. Even a simple bird bath can provide refreshment. Keep the water fresh and clean for a safe oasis. In the coldest months, consider a heated bird bath to ensure your hummingbirds have access to fresh water. Chapter 5. Create safe and cozy nesting sites for your hummingbirds. Imagine a hummingbird, after a busy day of aerial acrobatics and nectar gathering, seeking a cozy haven amongst the foliage. Creating safe and cozy nesting sites is as essential as providing food and water. Dense shrubs and trees, especially those with thorny branches, offer protection from predators and the elements. These green sanctuaries become, for the hummingbird, a place to preen their iridescent feathers and conserve precious energy. And in these leafy havens, they weave their tiny, thimble-sized nests from spider silk and plant fibers, raising the next generation of these remarkable creatures. Chapter 6. Avoiding harmful chemicals. Tips on keeping your gardens safe for hummingbirds. As stewards of our gardens, we have a responsibility to protect not only the hummingbirds that grace our presence, but the intricate web of life that sustains them. Avoid the use of pesticides and herbicides, which can be detrimental, even fatal, to these fragile creatures. Remember, the insects that hummingbirds rely upon for protein are equally vulnerable to these chemicals. Instead, embrace natural alternatives. Attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to control pest populations, creating a harmonious balance within your garden ecosystem. As we've journeyed together, exploring the ways to create a haven for hummingbirds, remember that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact on the natural world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more nature-inspired tips and adventures. Share these insights with fellow nature enthusiasts, and let us collectively create a world where hummingbirds thrive. From our corner of the globe to yours, thank you for watching Nicole's Organic Green Thumb. Happy bird watching.